Hello there, it's Alexander Turnbull from René, Paris and Aderans. Today I'm going to style one of my very favourite wigs on Lennox in rusty red. You see all that gorgeous colour. And what I love about this colour, everybody, is you've got that lovely warmth, that lovely kind of reddy hue, but it's not overpowering, not overpowering whatsoever. And Lennox is such a great piece because it's so natural. A very nice lace part and a lace front. So here she is, and we're gonna do 3 different looks. So the first look which I want to do for you today is I'm gonna create a really intricate, simple, sophisticated ponytail. Just gonna take some water, so I've just got this in a spray, and I'm not soaking the hair whatsoever. I'm just putting a light mist of water. That's it. So what that does is it makes the hair quite malleable and quite easy to work with. And just with my trusty René of Paris brush, just brushing that through. Brush all the hair back. I'm just taking these fine sections from underneath where the nape is, and the same again on this side. First section, I'm just going to wrap this over so it sits like this. I'm going to take this piece of hair over and then wrap this round. See, it's starting to come together. My fingers, wrap this round, pull this over, wrap this piece of hair around again, wrap this piece around again, wrap this piece around again, wrap this piece around again. So we're just wrapping it so we get that gorgeous detail on the pony. Wrap this piece around again, and then finally, we've got this kind of finish into the back of our pony. And then I'm just going to take a small hair tie and work the pony over. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Lennox put into a really cute pony. We've just put this detail into the back here. If you want to hide that band just a little bit more, what you can do is you can take a fine pin, and this will secure this just a little bit as well. Put the fine pin in, and then right the way into the pony. So here we have it, guys. Very wearable, beautiful little pony. Sat there with the hair wrapped through. Looks gorgeous. That's look number 1, Editorial Ponytail. Now we're going to go into look 2. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do a French pleat. I'm just going to take the bamboo tail comb, the detangler, and I'm going to separate the hair from ear to ear. Put the first section twisted into a clip and out the way, with the second section twist and take the clip, and there we go. So we've got that whole back section. Just take the top crown section with the bamboo tail comb, then I'm just going to twist this and just put that in a quick little hair tie so it's out of the way. Push this hair across. I'm going to take some large grips. Got one grip up here. Take the next grip across this way. The next grip across this way. Now this is going to be my take on a French pleat, so we're going to make it quite fashionable, quite soft, and Very, very wearable, nothing too tight. And you know, I think when you're doing wig work, you don't want the styles too tight, you want some softness there. Now, ahead of time, I've got some tissue paper. Now you all should have some of this, because this paper is literally what you get in the wig box when you open your wig box. Just with the tissue, I'm just going to make like a tube. First roll to take a large bobby pin and secure that up. Now you can do this in lots of different ways, but this one is a really nice way of repurposing what you already have. I've put my pleat onto a little bit of an angle. With the finer pins, I'm just gonna secure this into shape so we have this kind of effect. Start to build the shape back round. You can tuck the tissue paper back in, and just with your hands now, and that last piece that I put into the bobby, I'm just going to take lovely piece of hair. I'm just going to dress this with my hands and just add that like so. The detail looks fantastic. The fine pin. I'm just going to take a darker pin because this one's going on the outside. So now we have this gorgeous pleat coming in here. We've got all that hair from the front. I'm going to split this like so. So a French pleat is a very, very vintage kind of look, you know, but it never tends to date, always looks really cool. You know, you see a lot of the celebrities wearing things like this, and you know, they tend to be quite timeless. You know, tend to be really timeless, very, very effective. Take this section of hair again. So it's roughly the same on both sides. Put this piece now into a grip or a clip, whichever you want to call it, and just get this out of the way so you can concentrate on the hair you're working with at that time. Position the hair over this way. I'm just going to wrap that around the pleat, so I think that looks very, very detailed and beautiful. Take a larger pin. Now I have this section of hair from the opposite side. I'm just going to wrap this hair across, so you're seeing all this detail coming within to the style. Just going to get a grip and grip this into the base. Now we've got this kind of detail. So now we've got all this left here, which if I take this out, I can, remember we wanted to have this kind of very kind of vintagey feel. This being a lace fronted wig, it gives us the opportunity to wear it back, which, you know, looks very, very natural. So just literally like growing straight from your head. I'm going to take, we're putting that detail within. And just so you can see what I've I've done there. I'm just wrapping that into the French pleat. Very, very vintage style, but also very on trend. You know, you do see things like this on the red carpet. You know, lots of celebs, J-Lo, Anna Hathaway. You've often seen sporting these kind of, you know, old school classics, which make that little bit of a revival. So here we have look number 2, a vintage French pleat, slightly asymmetric, repurposing our tissue that was in the box. So now we're gonna move into look number 3, a commercial mohawk. I'm gonna take my comb, my bamboo detangling comb, and the first section I get will sit like this. Okay, so what I like to do is just take the section, split this in 2, and I'm just going to tie a loose knot, and just with a grip or a bobby pin that to the base and let that hair come forward. I take a larger piece of hair and it's going a bit closer to the face still. Do the same, coming forward this way. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, and I take this through like this, push that forward, and again I take a grip and into the base. You could loosely put a bit of a hair tie in if you wished. I don't always do that, but I'll just show you. So it just takes that hair out of the way. Wrap this piece of hair again, like so, like so, like so. So we get that kind of little quiff. Open another bobby pin. Now I've done this on clients with their bio hair. I've done it on wig clients. I've done with all sorts. Now bringing the hair upon itself, we're getting that nice kind of mohawky effect. So here we have it, guys, my third look. Put up from me, Alexander Turnbull at René of Paris and Aderans. Thank you for joining me for my 3 looks on Lennox in Rusty Red. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all social media, and we'll see you next time. From all of us here at René of Paris and Aderans, goodbye. Thank you, see you next time. Bye.